So today I'll be taking you inside 68 Slater Street, one of the best priced townhomes in Bluffton, in one of the most amenitized, awesome communities of Millcreek and Cypress Ridge. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to get into Bluffton, South Carolina, in a great neighborhood, stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this. All right, now as we approach this beautiful townhome, I love the curb appeal, I love the architecture, and I love that it has a little front porch, because I think if you're going to live in the South Carolina Lowcountry, you need a little bit of a porch so you can put a rocking chair out there. But let's go inside and let's take a look around. Right off to the left, you'll see a staircase, and we'll go up there later. But let's go in and just explore a little bit. Now, immediately off to your right is an open flex space. You could use this as an office. This could be a kid's playroom. This could be a formal dining room. It could be, just another sitting room, maybe a craft room. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me how you would use that space. But then we go into the main area, and right here off to the left is a coat closet. Not that we necessarily have a lot of coats here in the Lowcountry, it doesn't get that cold, but here is the kitchen, living room, kind of gathering room combo. And I love the stone counters here. I love the sink in the island. It's got all stainless appliances, all white cabinets, and I think white is a great color. It goes with everything. It's timeless, and I love that this is a natural gas community. So for you chefs and you foodies, this would be a great house. And then over here is kind of the main gathering room. So you could, let's peek in here. Here's your pantry, not huge, but definitely for a small home, I think this is an appropriate size pantry. And then you could put your table out here. You could put your living room furniture, put your TV on this wall. Maybe we can show some different ideas for virtual staging here, but open concept, it's great for entertaining. And then right here is the powder room. And so, of course, your guests, if they're visiting and they're hanging out downstairs, they can use this powder room. They don't have to go upstairs into the bedrooms because, everybody's got to use the facility sometimes. And I love the flooring in here. I love the natural light, super clean. Again, this house was just painted. It feels like it's never been lived in. It's only a 2022, so it has barely been lived in. And right here is the mud room. And so you could definitely build a landing zone here. You could put a seating, you could hang coats in there. That door did lead out to the garage. It is a one-car garage. We'll maybe take a look at that later. But let's head this way and let's head on upstairs. The carpeting in here is nice and fresh and clean. I personally love having carpets in the bedroom. I like to go barefoot, and I just think that carpet feels great on your feet. But right at the top of the stairs, this is the laundry facilities, okay? This is your washer and dryer. These do convey with the house, and these are Samsung. They're pretty nice. And I like having the washer and dryer on the same floor as all the bedrooms, so you don't have to go up and down flights of stairs. Now, right here off to the right, this is the primary bedroom. And you've got a couple of sets of closets right here on the right. Again, all fresh new carpeting in here. Great lighting from the windows. And I love that they have the tray ceiling and that really cool kind of modern fan up there. Just adds a little touch of luxury to this home. And then you've got these closets that actually connect all the way through. So again, not huge, but again, for this size home, I actually think these are appropriate size. And then right here to the right is the primary bathroom, and it does have dual vanities, so everybody's got their space. And it's got a nice tile floor here. And then back in the back of let's take a peek here. We've got a walk-in shower, plenty big. And then in the back of the primary bathroom is the private water closet, because again, everybody wants a little bit of privacy, right, when they're in the water closet. And then you've got a little linen closet here for towels or toiletries or washcloths, hand towels, whatever you want to put in there. And then as we leave the primary bedroom, we're going to go down the hall just a little bit, and right off to the right is the guest bathroom. This services both of the other guest bedrooms. You've got a shower tub combo, single vanity sink, but again, clean, mint condition. And I mean, in this price point, it's an incredible value, I think. And then right here to the left, you've got more storage. And again, like I said, quite a bit of storage in this house for the size home it is. And then you've got your 2 guest bedrooms right here. And one thing I really like about this guest bedroom is the ceiling is at an angle. It's like a vaulted ceiling. So it actually makes the guest bedroom feel a lot bigger than it actually is. But again, you've got a closet here. And then right off to the right here is the 3rd bedroom. This is the other guest bedroom. And again, if you look up, you'll see it is a vaulted ceiling. It's got that cool modern fan in there, and it definitely makes it feel a lot larger than it is. So another closet here. And this one is actually a little bit bigger. That's a true walk-in closet. So again, this is not a huge house. But, you know, if it's a first home, or maybe you're downsizing, or what we call it right sizing for retirement. Okay, so now I want to show you the backyard. So not a huge backyard, but again, this is a townhome, and most townhomes in and around Bluffton do not have a fenced yard. But right out here, you've got a great little patio area that you could put a barbecue grill or some additional seating. You've got the fenced yard. So if you have a small dog, or you got a couple of kids that need just a little bit of outside area, you do have that. And notice on the outside of the building here is a tankless water heater. I think that is huge. I think that's really important. And you get that hot water on demand. You can take as long of a shower as you want. But we are going to step outside this gate right here and just take a look real quickly at the back of the house. And so you'll actually get a 1-car garage and a parking pad here. So if we look at this house from the back, you'll see the garage space on the left belongs to this townhome. The one further to the right belongs to another townhome. So you get the parking pad and the garage space. All right, now that you've had a chance to explore this beautiful home, let's get out and look around the neighborhood a little bit, learn about the neighborhood, the amenities, and a little bit about the surrounding area. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Lowcountry? Whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County? Then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll know every time I drop a new video. My name is David Simcox, host of this channel and a local real estate agent. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move here, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 3 days, 3 months, or heck, even 3 years, send me an email to set up an appointment for a Zoom call so I can help you find your low country lifestyle. Now, let's get back into it. Now let's talk about the community. This is Millcreek at Cypress Ridge in Bluffton, South Carolina, where tranquil low country beauty meets luxury community living. Nestled among cypress forests and serene lagoons, this is more than a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Located just off of 170, Millcreek offers the perfect blend of peaceful, nature-inspired surroundings with easy access to downtown Bluffton, Hilton Head, and even Savannah. With a variety of well-built standalone homes and townhome options, ranging from cozy one-story retreats to spacious 2-story homes, you're sure to find a layout that fits your lifestyle. What truly sets Millcreek apart is its resort-style amenities. It has a 7,500 square foot clubhouse with a 3-story fitness center, elegant ballroom, meeting rooms, and a pavilion. Cool off in one of 2 resort-style pools. You can float along the lazy river while the little ones enjoy the splash pad and waiting area. Sports lovers can hit the tennis or basketball courts or play pickleball indoors. Meanwhile, paths meander through the community for walking, jogging, or peaceful breaks on the docks and fishing ponds. Beyond the amenities, Millcreek fosters a neighborly, welcoming vibe. It's known for being family-friendly, walkable, and rooted in community. Membership and HOA ensure that shared spaces stay pristine and the neighborhood retains its charm, while homeowners get solid value for their investment. Plus, you're in a prime spot for schools in the Beaufort County School District and just minutes to shops, restaurants, beach outings, golf courses, and entertainment. Millcreek at Cypress Ridge offers the best of both worlds: serene natural beauty and a vibrant, activity-rich lifestyle. Whether you're enjoying early morning walks among the oaks, cooling off in the pool, or socializing with neighbors at an event, life here just flows. With thoughtful home designs, strong community spirit, and the Lowcountry's unique charm, residents don't just live here, they thrive here. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed touring this incredible home in this amazing neighborhood in a wonderful section of Bluffton. And again, if I can help you find your own Lowcountry lifestyle, send me an email so we can set up a Zoom call and get to know each other more. And of course, I hope to see you at some point, but if not, I'll at least see you on the next video.